Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back. Um, I'm going to be covering the dip buy and why it works so well in this video. So with that being said, let's go. Okay, so this one, Kron has been a huge play. It's been this late day pusher. I'm actually in this play right now as we speak. But with that being said, it's a great push. We have Kron. The other one that was a late day push that I'm not in at all. I missed this play completely. Wasn't a dip buy, but this one just shot up. AGEN. Fit I've been in since my last video. It just seems to keep climbing up. It hasn't broke trend yet, so I just keep playing it. My stop loss is actually right around in here, like that 615 level now. But it's doing pretty good. I might actually move that up. ACB was the other one right now that is just pushing. Um, I'm actually not in this one. I couldn't get myself to do it because it's late day. I was lucky to get myself to do cron. I have a stop loss on it right now as well. Um, yeah, because it just hit high of day, so I'll probably get stopped out during this video. So with that being said, we are going to go back to ACB is the ticker. This one right here, this dip buy is, I'm going to get my different tool out for you guys. Here we go. This dip buy was really simple. And it's literally just based off of this. I was playing it as long as it stayed above this mark right here. I didn't want it to go below this one because there was really nothing else back here. But this one, it has hit basically 3 times already. It hit it this morning. Of course, I didn't get in at the 730. I believe I got into the 740s. And now we are up at the 780s. I did not play this one. That's where I was looking at getting into. I didn't play it. I played Kron. I just couldn't get myself to pull the trigger because it was already 11 o'clock at the day. Kron, though, on the other hand, I made myself get into this one because of the pushes that it's had in the past. This one, it failed early and then took off. So this was the one that I was really going after. Again, it literally, support has been here at this one and resistance. So you have support here now. Quite obviously, came down, hit it, and this is the one that I've been letting run today as well. This was not. There was no great morning play for me. That's why I didn't post on Instagram for everybody. I was like, "Where's his daily post?" I didn't play anything real early this morning. There was nothing that was like, "This is my play." Again, it's when markets are choppy and stuff, and there's not a whole lot running every day. You have to be very critical thinking wise of what are you going to play, what's your strategic move, and things like that. So with that being said, Kron was my play today. I've had students. Yeah, okay, never mind. But I've just had a ton of students saying, "Hey, we've been making money on Kron, and I saw this today." Um, I picked out my lines. Of course, I had to reload them and stuff. I have been trading a lot on my phone lately when I'm on the go for meetings and stuff, so that's one thing. But definitely the support right here was the resistance of it, and that becomes support once it goes past it. So now we have that support. It's hit it once, it's popped back up, it goes even further, and just crashes down hard. And I knew this wasn't going to be the bottom of it, mainly for this purpose right here. You have 3 quick jumps on this one. You have another one right in here, but there's no big movement, and that's what I look for, those big points. And I did it really well on this one. I got in the 8s. Now we're in the 9s, so it's very simple, guys. I'm a little bit drained. I need caffeine. With that being said, it's 3:17. I'm probably going to take profits here really soon before the market closes. That way I can lock in my profits for the day. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. I just want to keep this video short. I wanted an update on you guys. please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to learn from me, the link is in the description, markcoxtrading.com. All you gotta do is type it in. You can Google me, Mark Cox Jr., I believe, or Mark Cox Trading. I will pop up. If you want to talk to me, ask me questions. Sorry I can't talk. DM me on Instagram, MC_trading. I always answer a ton of people's questions. Just let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, or as soon as I get your message, or whenever when I'm out of a meeting. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Again, give that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys within a few days.